Current affairs, the 10th of April 2020. Government releases 15,000 crore rupees package to boost health infrastructure. The center approved a COVID-19 package worth 15,000 crore rupees to build on health infrastructure till March 2024. The COVID-19 Emergency Response and Health System Preparedness Package will be given to state governments and union territories in 3 phases: January 2020 to June 2020, July 2020 to March 2021, and from April 2021 to March 2024. MHRD launches Bharat Pad online campaign. Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched a week-long Bharat Pad online campaign for crowdsourcing of ideas in New Delhi for improving online education ecosystem of India. Mr. Nishank said, the campaign aims to invite all the best brains in India to share suggestions or solutions directly with HRD Ministry to overcome constraints of online education while promoting the available digital education platforms. Delhi government launches Operation Shield. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced Operation Shield in 21 containment zones to curb the spread of COVID-19 and warned of strict action against those misbehaving with healthcare personnel in the city. The CM appealed to people living in containment areas to cooperate in implementing Operation Shield, and said these are strict measures but are necessary to protect them and others from COVID-19. ADB assures $2.2 billion support package to India for COVID-19 response. Asian Development Bank, ADB, President Masatsugu Asakawa assured Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman of $2.2 billion, about 16,500 crore rupees, support to India in its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Google launches Braille keyboard for Android devices. Google announced the launch of a virtual Braille keyboard for Android that's designed to enable those with low vision or blindness to type on their phones without additional hardware. The search engine giant says it collaborated with Braille developers and users to create it, and to ensure it can be used anywhere a user would normally type, including social media, text messaging, and email apps. IFFCO Tokyo appoints Anamika Roy Rashtrawar as MD and CEO. IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company has appointed Anamika Roy Rashtrawar as its Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Rashtrawar, who takes over from Warendra Sinha, is the first woman MD and CEO of a large private sector general insurance company in India. NPS subscribers allowed partial withdrawal for COVID-19 treatment. National Pension System (NPS) subscribers will now be able to withdraw funds from their NPS accounts to meet any expenses related to the treatment of the COVID-19 disease. In a circular, the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority of India (PFRDA) said it is allowing partial withdrawal to meet expenses related to COVID-19 treatment as the pandemic falls under the category of critical illness which is life-threatening in nature. HUL partners with UNICEF to support India's fight against COVID-19. Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL, announced a collaboration with the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, to undertake a mass communication campaign and to inform and empower the general public against COVID-19. The campaign brings together the marketing expertise and scale of HUL and the technical knowledge of UNICEF to create engaging communication tools that can help people change behaviors and stay safe during this time of the pandemic. Tata Power bags Edison Award for Social Innovation. Tata Power has been conferred with the Honorable Global Edison Award under Social Innovation category and Social Energy Solutions subcategory. The Edison Awards, named after Thomas Alva Edison, recognizes and honors the world's best innovations and innovators. Tata Power got the award for its Club Energy #Switch Off to Switch On campaign. The sustainability initiative has brought in 533 participating schools across India that have saved 29.8 million units of power since it started in 2007. Prize-winning reporter Mary Jordan writes book on Melania Trump. A Pulitzer Prize-winning reporter for The Washington Post has written an unauthorized biography of First Lady Melania Trump. Mary Jordan's The Art of Her Deal, which draws upon more than 100 interviews. Jordan began working on the book in 2015, well before Donald Trump's surprise victory in the presidential election. The World Homeopathy Day 2020, April 10. The World Homeopathy Day is observed every year on April 10 in memory of Dr. Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy, who was born on this day. Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann was a physician, who was a great researcher, linguist and applauded scientist. Homeopathy is a form of medicine that works on the principle of triggering the body's own healing responses. The theme for 2020 is enhancing the scope of homeopathy in public health. John Prine, U.S. folk and country songwriter, dies aged 73 due to COVID-19. John Prine, the U.S. folk and country singer, has died aged 73 due to complications from COVID-19. He won his first Grammy Award in 1991, Best Contemporary Folk Album, for The Missing Years. He would win a second Grammy in the same category in 2005 for Fair and Square. In December 2019, the Recording Academy honored him with a Lifetime Achievement Award.